more classic. This is where it all started. The Babboe Big, an icon on 3 wheels for parents with big plans. It's robust and can carry no fewer than 4 children, or several large shopping bags. Both benches fold away easily, offering you ample space. There's also an electric Big, the Big E, with a comfortable rear wheel motor. Great if you don't want to pedal hard. The Big E has a derailleur gear. You can use this to switch between the 7 gears in small increments. The non-electric Big also has 7 gears, but then as a low-maintenance hub gear. Back to the Big E. This has rear disc brakes for powerful braking. The standard Big has rear roller brakes. In terms of strength, these are between drum brakes and disc brakes. Both the Big as well as the Big E have front drum brakes, so you can brake instantly no matter how many children or shopping bags you're carrying. Curious about the iconic Babboe Big model? Visit babboecargobike.com/big.